Everyone, Steve Georgie here from Allendale's Trading Floor. It is August 4th. We do have the markets working a little bit higher this morning. Corn up 3 cents, beans up 13.5, wheat up about 11. So big thing, we are on weather watch, going to be, and forecast taking a little bit of rain out of the forecast from what we had gone home with on Friday. So the market's certainly reacting to that with these overnight values being higher. Now, when you do look at the rain models, it's not that they've taken it out completely. We've got some rain in the forecast for everybody now over the next couple weeks. Now, the totals have been kind of toned down a little bit, but then if you look at the 11 to 15 day forecast, it is dry, and we've taken a lot of that rain out of that forecast as well. So it's the month of August. We need to see these rains. We've got to be able to finish out this corn, but also really get these beans going as well. So that's still going to be a market mover. We've got to see these the forecasts here at midday as well, see what they do with these models, because that's what we're going to be trading. Short covering, though, after Friday's sell-off, we saw that big down move to finish out the week. We'll see what happens here today. But guys are going to also watch good to excellent ratings. They're going to be out later on this afternoon. They're looking for a 1 to 2% drop. Last week we were looking at corn at a 75% good to excellent. 71% good to excellent for beans. So are we going to see that? Would not be surprised maybe to see a little bit of a pullback there as far as those ratings. Something in the wheat that you've got to take note of. You know, we've seen a big strong move right now for wheat, but the weather right now, we've got some weather problems in Europe. That's supporting the wheat market a little bit, but also this continued unrest for the Ukraine and Russia. That's going to continue to look a little bit supportive for wheat. But we've got a lot of short covering there. The funds are short this wheat market. And if we start to see some issues, we could see a decent bounce. Not to say it's going to be trend changing, but this wheat may be ready for that. So there are some news stories out there in order to be a little bit supportive for wheat. Looking at livestock, cattle. We've got probably going to open up maybe a little bit softer this morning. Box beef, though, was down. I know, surprising, it was down. Choice down 53. Select down 248. Packer break evens at 165.50 right now. We did see cash cattle trade last week, steady to $2 lower. So keep an eye on that this morning. For hogs, cutout values down again, 171 lower on Friday. October futures have seen a $16 pullback since July 7th. So technically we're oversold. Can we find some news to get the hogs to recover a little bit? You know, that's really going to be this big question. But right now, you got PED numbers that have been dropping. Obviously, the market technically is in this downtrend, and it's very hard to catch any kind of support. But watch for that. If we can start to see maybe some cash values turn around, maybe that could be the news to turn the market back a little bit higher. But a $16 drop for October futures since July 7th. Stock market right now up 36 points. Gold down $2. Silver up 2 cents. The dollar is up 5 cents right now. Give us a call if you guys have any questions today. 800-262-7538, or check us out on the web at allendale-inc.com. Hope you guys have a great day. I'll talk to you again tomorrow morning.